In this video, we will cover our newest product line, Cotton White Diapers. At Hemri Exports, every product begins with precision, craftsmanship. The process starts with marking the cloth pieces, where each measurement is carefully outlined to achieve the perfect diaper size. Once marked, the fabric moves to the cutting section, where it's shaped to exact specifications using advanced tools and skilled craftsmanship. Next comes the stitching and finishing process, where texture, strength, and softness come together, ensuring the fabric meets the high standards Hemri Exports is known for. After stitching, our team carefully removes any extra threads, giving each piece a clean and refined finish. Every batch then undergoes a strict quality inspection, checking consistency, durability, and comfort. Only fabrics that pass this stage move forward for packing and packaging, ensuring safe handling and presentation. These diapers are used for cleaning and mopping in hospitals, organizations, and other commercial facilities. The finished products are then stored in our warehouse, organized for efficiency and traceability. Finally, through the baling process, each shipment is compacted into 900-pound bales, ready for dispatch to destinations around the world. Standard size for diapers is 14 by 21 inches and packing 900 pounds per bale, but we can also pack as per customer requirements in bales or boxes.
For orders and details, contact us.